All right, so a customer that is working with us has made a total of $300 in less than 48 hours on their eBay account. We're gonna go over what they actually sold, and it's going to surprise you. Surprisingly, the products they sold were not really the electronics that traditionally sell. They're mostly trending products, and they cost me less than $100 to actually supply these. We have sold over 50 units, and we're gonna actually talk about exactly what these products are. I know one of the pain points while actually running your eBay store isn't just listing the products, it's shipping the products as well, and also providing them, figuring out what to actually list. Well, we have a service for $99 this summer only. It goes back up to $350 in August, and this service is where we list, ship, and provide the products for you. You get your own personal assistant that's going to work hand in hand on your eBay consistently every single month for 7 days a week, and all you have to do is sit back, watch them source the products, list the products, ship the products, and you keep 100% of the profit. And guys, we're enrolling in this system, and this is something you can get access to. The link is below. Let's get back into this video and the profit that this client actually got. So it's important for me to let you guys know this client didn't do anything spectacular, anything really different. We didn't list any supercharged product. We actually were testing products on this store, and we found a win. And I know for a fact you can do the same thing. The products are available in the US. A lot of us, we seem to think that we have to go outsource and we have to go to Alibaba or AliExpress or DHgate because that's what creators always show, because that's how they make their money. They don't make their money actually selling the products, but instead getting the affiliate links clicked and products brought from other people that are actually really trying to resell. Let's get into the warehouse. I can't wait for you guys to see this. And of course, make sure you guys like and subscribe to help your boy out. Okay, so let's actually talk about what products we're actually selling. So we sold a bunch of the ice creams and a bunch of the dumplings, and then surprisingly the jellyfish. Okay, so here are the ice creams, right? And they come in different packages. What I realized is that people want the ice cream. They haven't really cared about the name brand so much. Here's what the ice cream looks like. It's just a squishy toy, and again, it comes in this packaging. This actually costs $3.50, but buying in bulk obviously can lower it to like $3.25 all the way to like $2.50. The next product that has been selling is these squish ball jellyfish. So these jellyfish, all right, we sold a few packs of these. Supposed to be a ball, but in the shape of a jellyfish. This is a little bit more expensive, I believe around $3.50, $4, depending on how many you buy. We only sold about 12 units of these. That is a low number, but again, you can't beat it. Now it comes in pink, it comes in blue, and then it's like a, where's it at? It's like a little purplish color right here. These are going to be the jellyfish that we have, different colors and stuff. What I end up doing is telling them, hey, DM me if you want a certain color, or inbox us if you want a certain color. We have people that ask for orange, people that ask for blue, and say, hey, it's for a boy. So just abide by their requests, I guess. The next product, of course, is the squishy buns. Have been selling surprisingly well. We see customers do care about packaging, and I'm gonna show you another packaging that we have saw not actually sell. If you remember and recall, I was saying that these squishy dumplings were not selling well, and it was only because of the packaging I was using. The packaging wasn't selling well for me, but this packaging has been selling really well. I'm not sure honestly why the packaging was infecting my sales too much. I mean, obviously you can see the difference, right? What color will you get tag right here. Right here it still says it, but it's not as bold. That could be the issue. And then you see you have, it looks brighter. That's really the difference. It does. It looks brighter, bigger. This packaging right here is bigger. This one is more lower and dull and smaller. But same product inside the box. So this one has been selling well for me. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna ship these ones out. We have 3 orders of 12. This is what the box looks like. It's a good sized box, and presentation is key. So we don't want to get rid of the box. We want to include the box in the packaging for the customer. Again, surprisingly, these are like the trending products that we're selling. And then of course we have some of the other products that sold on the eBay, which are the Type-C cables. And we also have some of the Maxes. So we've been able to sell a few of these. These come singles. Okay, we have the 6-foot Type C to Type C, AAA. We sold a few of these. We'll have these ones, right? This is going to be a Type C to Type C. This is a 20 count, okay, $15, WESPLY.com. Now, another product that was selling on eBay Automation has been this e-bike. Now, this bike right here cost $350. Okay, now depending on how many you get, we can get it as low as $320. This is something that we're selling. eBay Automation gives you the ability to sell big products like this, and we'll ship these products for you. So you don't have to store these. That's the win, not having to store these in your house, because again, obviously these could cost you a good amount of money, and of course become very frustrating if you're housing these inside of your own house. Packing. So what I'm doing is there's a bunch of orders. Like, to explain it, guys, I have to literally fill all of these envelopes up with ice creams. Now I want to show you guys a little bit more of the ice cream, right? So it's nice ice cream, smooth, squishy is what the box says, but this is something that, to be honest, I don't know why people are attracted to it. Now, it does feel good, but it comes in this plastic bag. Now, what I could do, I could take this plastic bag and I theoretically could just put the ice cream, right, in the plastic bag. Now, I'm thinking about that because that makes it way easier instead of doing it and making it so bulky, right? But I don't know if the customer will complain. So maybe the customer may want the packaging. If this packaging couldn't fit in this envelope, I'm not gonna lie, I would have just did it. I would have just separated it, because in my opinion, it's not worth me having to put these in all boxes. I'm not trying to do that. So I'm one of those packers where, you know, I understand it's a damned if you do, damned if you don't type of thing, but I'm also going to make sure I'm cost effective, you know? That's one of the most important things, is making sure that your orders are not going to have you going far and beyond. Packaging wise, it's always going to get you burnt out. Now, we usually package these at the warehouse, but for videos, I like bringing it here so I can sit down and talk to you. Boom. All right. And then we're gonna keep packaging more and more, and getting all of these at least packaged for shipping tomorrow. So with eBay Automation, one thing that we do is we guarantee that we're gonna give the customer the product within 3 handling days. So we avoid any of the complaints from customers that, oh, the package hasn't arrived. Well, it's 3 shipping and handling days. And to show you guys how I do it when we have hundreds of orders, like I have, I have booklets of labels that we have to ship, and I got to get them all done. What I do is I'll put in the corner an abbreviation for what the product that we have to put in here, and I'll fast pack them that way. So that seems to be easier for me, instead of me, you know, having to identify each customer and each product that they've brought, because we do have customers that buy the same product but send it to different addresses. So we have a customer that has brought a few packages for the same product with different addresses. Now that is a little sketchy, but we usually ship all products, especially starting out, and then we see how the returns work after that, and I'll keep you guys updated with that too.